Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. This is truly one of my favorite cars that have been through here in a long time. I just absolutely love it. The quality is off the charts. The color, the condition, the features they've put on it. It's an incredible car. And believe it or not, it's a matching number 396 big block under the hood. Got a 4-speed in between the bucket seats. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can read all the specs, study 100 pictures, get the price. Not only on this one, but we have a few hundred collector cars all for sale at volocars.com. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon and you'll be notified as they come out. Right now, tops down, let's go for a spin. Yeah, look at the pictures on our website. This is a nut and bolt off the frame restoration, and it's meticulously done. For example, all new brake lines, they're all neatly bent. Every little clip that attaches the brake line is new. Everything is just done neatly. It's so nice in and out, top to bottom, front to back. It's rare that you get a car that gets better the more you look at it. That's this one here. I also drove it home. Incredible. I loved every minute of it. So underneath the car, the front end was off the frame, so the whole frame was stripped and painted gloss black, reinstalled with new body bushings. The whole front end's completely new. The ball joints, bushings, everything. It's upgraded with some fat tubular control arms. It has lowering springs in front, new shocks, heavier duty sway bar. Rear suspension's all new. The leaf springs are new with all new bushings. It has traction bars, new shocks. Look at the brakes. Upgraded disc brakes at all four corners, but they're the bare aftermarket brakes. Look at the size of the rotor. It fills up that whole wheel. It looks really cool. Drilled and slotted rotors, red calipers. Calipers in front are really big, so they're at least 4 piston. All new e-brake assembly cables, braided stainless steel brake hoses. All new fuel system. It's a shiny gas tank, new sending unit, straps, fuel lines. That's all new. It's got a great sounding custom exhaust that's real neatly bent, has some Flowmaster mufflers, and the tips are bent down. They're hidden right behind the lower inner quarter there. They're just installed neatly. Bottom of the motor is clean. It's an M20 Muncie 4-speed with a Hurst linkage. It's a 12-bolt rear end and back with a real nice aluminum cover. And all the components are like brand new. The whole drive line's painted gloss black. So super nice underneath. The floors are completely clean, dry, rust-free metal. They sprayed them with the bed liner, which acts like a sound deadener, and it protects them. So really, really nice, clean underside. The body is phenomenal. I literally just wiped the car down. A lot of times I do that because I'm looking for flaws. I didn't see any. I didn't see a bubble. I didn't see a crack. No door dings. This paint job is one of those that looks like you could reach your hand right in. It is deep. I see the reflection of the walls behind me, and it looks like I'm looking into another room. All the metal flake is laid out evenly. There's no blotchy, no cloudy spots. Obviously a clear coat finish. All the gaps are really nice and square. The doors shut really nicely. It's got 1,900 miles on it since the car's been built. Door jambs are all painted beautifully, new Weatherstrips. All of the trim, all the stainless, the wiper arms, the louvers, the moldings, the marker lights, all of that's new. It's got the hidden headlights. They're electric motor conversions. I'll demonstrate those in a little bit. New windshield. Convertible top is black German cloth top. That's so rich looking. Costs twice what the vinyl top costs, but it's nice and it's in excellent shape. Show quality motor compartment. Beautiful, all leather interior. Really premium. Look at the door panels. Has the chrome or stainless inserts in there, nice fancy handles. It's soft. Just putting my hand here, I can feel the soft leather on the door panels. The seat cushions are nice and firm. Has some chrome details on the seats. Custom-made center console, cup holder. Has the vintage air heat controls. When you turn on the lights, they're backlit white, really sharp looking. Has a cup holder. And if you're like me, as we get older, we like our cup holder for our coffee. Trunk compartment, finished just like the interior, is completely boxed, upholstered, carpeted floor. This is leather, painted just as slick as the outside, new rubber, new latch. The wheels, they're Forgeline wheels, bigger in back. Well, they're 17-inch, but it's wider in back, got a taller tire. Perfect choice of wheels, in my opinion. All this trim is new and shiny. I'm going to tell you about the motor. I didn't even realize this was a number match. It's a custom car. I just assumed it wasn't. This is the numbers matching engine for this car. It's a 396 350 horsepower. Now it's got some added horsepower when they rebuilt it. On top, it's got a giant chrome-plated dual-feed Holley carb, HEI ignition, ceramic-coated Hedman headers. The whole front of the motor is polished billet aluminum brackets and pulleys. The AC compressor is a mini compressor. It's polished. It's got a polished alternator, a modern power steering system. The firewall's made smooth. It's an electronic upgraded wiper motor. Aluminum radiator with dual electric fans, a polished overflow bottle. It's got power brakes. Look at the Jambs. Look at the hardware, the sticker. Sill plates are shiny. The dash is wrapped in leather and stitched. Really cool center section. That's where the speaker is. I've never seen that before. Whoever did the interior did a great job. Really nice deluxe steering wheel. I tell you what, these seats are comfortable too. Custom set of gauges. Modern stereo. The mirror, the visors, the pillars. Pillars are wrapped in leather. Inside the little center console is a power top switch. So the electric fans you hear running. Oh, we got one headlight didn't work. Our shop will take care of that. Seat belts front and back. Just an all-around awesome car, I'm telling you. Thousands of cars a year I look at. This thing is premium. It's dialed in. It drives great, looks great. There's nothing I would change. It's not like, oh, I love the car, but what ugly wheels, or I love the car, but why that color? Everything about this car is awesome. Everything about it. Visit volocars.com. Plenty of ways to meet our staff, and they'll help answer any questions or concerns about the car, the process, the delivery, the financing. That's at volocars.com. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon. You'll be the first to see the next one that comes out. Thanks for watching.